Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh Surface for Solidworks. When you import a scan data using the Mesh Surface tools, you will see them in a color like the one on the screen, but you may have different preferences, so they look differently. In order to change the color for all the meshes, you go to Settings, and from the colors you click on the color button and select the color that you like most. This is a default color, which means that in the future when you import any mesh, it will be colorized with this one. In order to demonstrate this, I will just go to our example file section and we'll bring in another scan. You can see that they all now green. In order to reset your default color, you go to Settings and press the default button. This will set the default color to the one that comes with the installation of Mesh Surface. In some cases, when you have multiple meshes for the purposes of alignment, or you want to build a part that has different colors, what you can do is to set a different color for every individual mesh. In order to do this, you just select your mesh on the feature tree of SolidWorks, right click and select the option which is called color. Then you can pick the color you like and press OK. Now this mesh will be colorized with this color. You can do the same for the other mesh. In some cases you may want to bring back all the colors back to the default ones. You can do this by selecting one or multiple using the Control key, right click, and then you say Set Default Color. If you want very quickly to apply different colors on multiple meshes, what you can do is just select a single mesh, the one that is visible, go to the Mesh Tools and select Auto Colorize. Mesh Surface for SolidWorks has a predefined 14 colors, and it will apply different colors for all the meshes that are loaded. And they have been designed in this way so they can be distinguished on the screen. This might be useful in the future for your work with the Mesh Surface in SolidWorks. I hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching.